Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL DALILA binti HALIM and my MATRIK number is 2190820. So today, I will show you my idea on futuristic railway station. There are 3 levels of DALILA high-speed rail. Here are the sites of parking and grab for pick-up and drop point. On the second floor, there are balconies for passengers to have their pleasure time with the great view. On the ground, it was the train that used a double-decker seat where it will save space. The train provides an emergency button to every cockpit in case accident might happen. There is a lift and sanitized area with a sensor where the passenger that had booked the train will enter the room with the apps from their smartphone. Use solar panels that were as renewable energy and more safe for environment. The noise barrier will be installed to reduce the sound from the train. There are prayer room for Muslim and restroom beside it. We provide the information counter for passenger, COVID-19 vending machine, and IU Cafe. COVID-19 vending machine consists of face mask and hand sanitizer. That's all. Thank you for watching.